Hi everyone and welcome to Decode Your Numbers. Now today we're going to be talking about accounting software and why choosing the right one will make the world of difference for you and your business. Now having the right software isn't about staying organized. It's about empowering you to own your numbers, allow you to make informed decisions about your business. Now the key thing about the software, it has to work for you and your needs, because you will need to go inside it frequently to be able to make those informed decisions and also utilize what the software can do for you for like invoicing, capturing your receipts and stuff like that. So it's important to work out what will work for you. When I say this, I'm talking about that there are bookkeepers and accountants who will only work with one specific software, which is absolutely fine and it's their prerogative. And that's how they work, which is fine. Now, if you really want to work with a certain bookkeeping account and they say, I only work with this software, you have got a choice. It's whether to use that software and understand it and make it work for you, or find someone who works with the software that you do use. So why is software essential? Let's face it, not that long ago, we were mainly just capturing our receipts or putting them in a box, putting them on the shelf, put them everywhere, and then periodically updating accounts on via a spreadsheet or just passing them to your accountant and bookkeeper. But with this software, you're now able to take more control over what's happening and not have bits of paper everywhere. Software can allow you to track your income, your expenses effortlessly, generate invoices for you, and in most cases allow you to take card payments or direct debit payments from that invoice. So reducing the amount of chasing of payments that are due to you. Help you stay on top of your tax deadlines, and most importantly, reduce your stress levels because through the automations in the software. The software will help you get your accounts updated through automations or suggestions or showing you reports that will help you to make those decisions and take the stress away, so you will know what's happening and hope you feel a bit less stressful. It's all about streamlining your workflow so you enable you to work on your business and do things that you love. Right, so I'm going to be going on to a slideshow in a minute, and I'm going to be looking at the different software, the three main software providers in the UK, and that is QuickBooks, FreeAgent and Xero. FreeAgent and Xero. And the categories we're going to be comparing them on is the dashboard overview, invoicing, expense tracking, tax estimates as a sole trader, and their monthly price. So first off, let's look at QuickBooks. So QuickBooks has a dashboard that has lots of little information graphics, so you can visually see how your business is doing on any income, expenses, your profit and loss, your cash flow, and I think there's a few other ones as well. So you can visually see how your business is doing. Then for your invoicing, they have several customizable templates. You can add your logo, change the colors, dictate the columns to a certain point, turn things on and off. You're also able to link it to PayPal, Settle and Go cardless to enable you to take card payments and direct debits. And then those invoices will automatically be matched in your bank feed unless the payment covers several invoices. There's just an extra little step where it will suggest which invoices it matches to. So that makes life a lot easier. Then we also have a mobile app where you can take pictures of your expenses and categorize them, and also the app allows you to track your mileage automatically. It's linked with Google Maps, so it's pretty accurate. You just need to go through each journey, say if it's business or personal. The app also allows you to do lots of other things as well, like create an invoice, view the reports, etc. So if you have set up your software with QuickBooks saying that you are a sole trader, it will tell you in the tax section of it in real time your income tax and your national insurance that's due as you go throughout the year, so you can start saving as you go. Now the price ranges from £10 a month to £38 a month. Next one is FreeAgent. So FreeAgent has a dashboard. It gives you an overview of tax deadlines and your cash flow. So it's a bit more basic than QuickBooks, but that's all you're worried about is your cash flow in your bank. And then invoicing, again, you have several different templates which you can add your logo, change the colours, etc. And again, you're able to link it up with card payment providers, so like PayPal, and I think it's Stripe in this case. And again, you can be able to link it with the direct debit service of Go Cardless. In the bank feed, again, it will suggest a match with an invoice if it spots a payment. If the payment's over several invoices, it's a few more steps in QuickBooks, but you're still able to do it. Again, with FreeAgent, it gives you real-time income tax and national insurance estimates as you go along, and also currently you can already submit your tax return through FreeAgent, so that's already up and going, which is very unique to FreeAgent, but it won't be unique for much longer. I say in a couple of years' time, with making tax digital for income tax payers through the self-assessment, the other software is going to have to do it as well, but they have got the head start. You can do it already, so that's even better. So if you want to submit your own tax return, it will do that for you. You just need to do the checking and the numbers, etc. And also the biggest positive with FreeAgent is that it's free with Metal, Royal Bank of Scotland, Ulster Bank and NatWest. So if you've got a business bank account with any of those, you'll get FreeAgent for free. Fantastic, that's going to save you a few months. But if you haven't, you can purchase it for £10 to £33, depending on your requirements, per month. Finally, we've got Xero. So Xero is very popular with accountants and bookkeepers. So their dashboard just basically shows very detailed reports. If that's that sort of thing you want, fantastic. It gives you, regarding invoicing, it gives you one customizable invoice template, so you can add your logo, change colors, etc. Again, you're able to take card payments via Stripe, or I think PayPal as well. And you're also able to link it with Go Cardless to be able to take any direct debit payments. So expense tracking. So Xero has linked up with HubDoc. So HubDoc is included in most plans, but this is also like a receipt tracking, so you can take pictures of it again. An email as well, like you can email also in FreeAgent and QuickBooks. I forgot to mention that, but yes. Tax estimates. No, Xero doesn't do tax estimates for sole traders. They do have a sole trader basic software. I haven't really investigated it, so I can't really confirm that it gives you real time or not. Price per month is from £16 to £59 per month. At the end of the day, all three software providers will enable you to own your numbers, but you just need to choose the one that works best for you and your requirements. So don't hesitate trying out their free trials, so you can get into the software, have a play around and see how you feel about it. Why don't you have a look out for other YouTube videos, check out the help pages, talk to other people who've used the software and see how they find it. To enable you to make those informed decisions. Now, I've got some exciting news. Each month, I'm going to be comparing each of the software providers on how to complete certain tasks. I'm going to be looking at ease of use, the time required to do it, and if they offer any features to enable you to complete that task efficiently and easily. So if you do not want to miss out on these comparisons, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And also, why don't you sign up to my email list, and I will email you each week on details of that week's video. So if you found this helpful, give it a like, share it to someone who you think you might find this useful. And if you've got any questions, drop them in the comments and I would love to hear from you. Bye.